Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to check your notification of TikTok in a fast way in iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just make sure that you already add or put the TikTok application on your home screen, and after you got that, and after the application is already in the home screen, you just need to go click and hold the TikTok application. Remember, click and hold until they give you several shortcuts right here. And now to visit the notification, you just need to directly click these notifications, and the TikTok and the iPhone will be bring you into the notifications part. So that's the way how to check or how to visit your notifications on a TikTok in a fast way by iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.